Frankman Motor Company, one of the largest independent used car dealerships in the 5-state area, located conveniently in beautiful Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Frankman's has been selling, servicing, and financing cars since 1988. What started as a small family business has grown into one of the largest volume dealerships of used cars in the state. Frankman Motor Company is proud of each one of the 50,000 cars that we have sold throughout the years. Our classic car department is renowned across the region, with vehicles ranging from the 1930s to the 1990s. Frankman Motor Company is unlike any other car dealership you have experienced. We have been serving the Sioux Empire area for over 30 years and understand Midwest hospitality. We take the time to make sure you drive home in the vehicle that is right for you. With over 100 pictures of our inventory available online, you can thoroughly browse our entire inventory regardless of the price point. We also provide a 30-second walk-around video of each vehicle with the engine running so that you can have a better idea of our inventory's condition before you arrive. At Frankman Motors, we don't sell cars. We help people buy cars. Our sales team is known for going above and beyond, providing outstanding customer service. Our team is committed to a pressure-free environment where customer satisfaction is the top priority. With decades of experience in long-distance sales, both national and international, we can help find the perfect car for you. Frankman Service Center, parts counter, and on-site financing departments allow us the ability to offer a full-service experience to drivers from all over the area. When you walk into Frankman Motors Service Center, you can expect a completely different experience from the other repair shops in the area. Our fully equipped service center and certified master technicians provide the precision, affordability, and short wait times that you hope for. With our online service scheduling tool, you can make appointments for all mechanical and maintenance services. Frankman Motors provides good, honest service, along with a huge selection of vehicles to choose from. Come out and visit us when you're ready to purchase your next vehicle.